Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tap Lab here, and we're back with another update on TPUNKs. TPUNKs are CryptoPunks on Tron, and things look like they're going really well over here. I did a previous video with all the information that you need and a tutorial for how to mint a TPUNK. We're gonna mint one more TPUNK in this video, so we'll see if we can pull something rare. But this is the gallery. This is all of the possible TPUNKs that you could get, and if we click the filter here, you can see that there's some pretty rare variants. So hopefully we could get one of these today. That would be pretty sweet. If you remember from the last video, I think there's only 40 TPUNKs that have been minted so far. But if we go to the mint screen, we can see that now about 1,400 have been minted so far. So 8,618 left. If we go to my TPUNKs, this is the one that I got last time, TPUNK 2003. Here's the attributes, horn to rim glasses and headband. Real quick, we can look on their Tron Scan, see that everything is legit. 1,382 TPUNKs have been minted. We can actually go through and see the IDs that are being minted right here. So when you click the mint button, it basically gives you a random outcome here. And if we look at these token IDs, like 4,154, you can come here and search by ID. So we can see that that person minted this TPUNK, Clown Nose and Durag. So let's see what this person got. It's got 4 attributes on that one. We can also look at the token holders and see that there's some pretty serious people about this. So this person has 303 TPUNKs, 180, 140, 80. You know, people are minting multiple. They're getting a lot of them. But there's that, the update. These are being minted like crazy. So let's mint another one. Like I've said before, the easiest way is gonna be the Tron Link wallet. You wanna have 1,000 TRX in your wallet. Let's just look at a transaction here. So we can see that it uses about 320 bandwidth and 289,000 energy to mint one of these. And it looks like if you don't have TRX frozen for energy, that's going to be about 40 TRX. I happen to have lots of TRX frozen for energy, so it's all good. So let's go ahead. So I have the 1,000 TRX ready in my Tron Link wallet. Let's go ahead and click mint a TPUNK. Going to give us our pop-up. Here's the information on the pop-up, same as last time. Click accept. Your transaction has been broadcast to the network, so we should be all good. Let's go to my TPUNKs, and here is the one that I minted, TPUNK 5,128, cap forward, mustache, and earring. So nothing too rare. We could look for some of those attributes here, like earring, there's going to be 2,000 of those. Cap forward, there's going to be 254 of those. Let's see, mustache. And mustache 288. So those attributes could be a little bit rare. But yeah, there we have it. My second TPUNK. Let's open up this transaction here. So there we have it. About 274,000 energy, token ID 5128. So there's the update on TPUNKs. 8,617 left. I've been seeing these minted a lot every single day, so exciting to see that people are grabbing these up. This is tpunks.com, and you can come here, come to their official Telegram, their official Reddit, their official Twitter. There will probably be lots of fakes, just like with any crypto project, so be sure to come to tpunks.com site, get the real thing. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more updates like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.